So guys, today we discuss topic about that how to use alt tag on your particular website. What is the alt tag purpose? The alt tag main purpose, any video upload on the particular website, we can use a proper name is called alt tag. Every image we can use a proper name. The name purpose, if anybody is searching your URL on anything, so it will showing for the Google to people coming to your website purpose. To people coming to your website purpose in this. So yeah, when you click this option here, they come into your website. So every image, how to use a particular image alt tag. So what is the benefit that? The benefit is called people get your traffic through image optimization. That is called image marketing. That is called image marketing. In this image marketing, how we can do this image marketing? First of all, select one video and use a proper title. So same title we can uploading for in this admin panel with uploading for same image name. So what are the your first title using here? Same title when you upload image time, the image name will be same will be used. That is the mandatory field. What are the your major title will be used? The same title will be used on the your particular image. After that, same SEO title here. So we can use this option. Here, what are the options are here? Next, video URL. Select the category. Description part, compulsory write the content. What are the content they are writing for in this option? This is all content we can write on your particular option. Copy this one using notepad. Or other content you're selecting any website, any kind of, you can first use for notepad here. After that, you have to publishing for submit option. After submitting, I will show you. Go to the movie news. Here, select this option. In this option will be click for control U. Here, first of all, select for alt name. Control F, alt is equal to. So there is a logo one, there is a banner one, here alt tag here. So what are the your name will be using? Same image name will be using for title name here. That mean if any people for searching this image, to anybody searching for actor Talapati Vijay Master Movie official teaser, your image will be shown to the customers on the particular website to will get the viewers. This all will be saved for all tag writing skills. Any image uploaded on admin panel, we have to using for your title name and image name both are same. The compulsory we can use every image name and title name. If we go to the without admin panel, we have to using C panel will be different method. That is, we can go to the C panel where the image will be occurred, select the image and add the alt tag. So now we discuss about that when uploading any kind of content along with image, the proper name will be used same like a title name is image name both are same. The main purpose of search engine optimization purpose. The main reason search engine optimization purpose. So this is a careful to watch on the particular YouTubers.